To make a lightweight steel fence out of some uncommon elements. Half-inch gas line. This is conduit. Typically, you don't put these together. The way it fits, these slip in pretty tight and can be welded. Be stitching it together with this small titanium welder. It's DC current, so it's going to have a little bit more control than an AC welder. Even though a lot of the pipe is rusty, it still welds. It'll hold it into place. Because it's cast iron and steel, it's not going to be the strongest weld, but it's going to be strong enough for this application. We've got this wire mesh that we're also going to be welding to the pipe. The wire's got to be touching here, so it may add a little weight so I can tack it here. Not pretty, but it's stuck on there good. Work our way all the way around. These wires are going to need to be cut out of the way. That way the wire's all nice and flush. This tack welded in there pretty good. We'll go ahead and lift it up. And that seems really strong. Turn it over so we can weld the other side. Need some chicken wire on it, so we'll stretch that across. Because this wire is so thin, we need to tie it on with wire. Some areas I can just bring the wire around and twist it into place. Just twist it. There's a custom gate for a garden that a car could drive through.